Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate clinic appointments on WhatsApp in just 15 minutes. Yes, it is truth. Having in clinic, you got many appointments from your users at once. Responding them and booking their appointment manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this problem, we are going to automate this entire process by creating an automated WhatsApp chatbot, and that will be created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account regarding the appointment booking, then automatically your bot will reply to them. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let's go to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So this is right over here is the automated WhatsApp chatbot that we are going to create in this video. This will not only reply to your patients within seconds but also book an appointment into your clinics without you doing any manual efforts. And this automated WhatsApp chatbot is created in just 15 minutes. Yes, it is truth. Alright, so before moving forward, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your patients within a second. For that, I am going to send one message to my WhatsApp business account of clinic, that is book appointment. As soon as I send the message, immediately the bot will respond to me like this, that hello, thank you for reaching out to Impulse Healthcare Clinic. We are here to help you booking your appointment quick and easily. You can see it will also provide me one button, that is book appointment. So I am clicking on it. Then you can see it will ask me to select the doctor by providing me one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the list of doctors. Here I want to book the cardiologist, so I am selecting it. Then you can see it will ask me for my full name. So here I am sharing my full name as a test user. Then it will ask me to share the date for scheduling the appointment that I am going to send as 17/10/2025. After that, it will ask me for the timing. Here I am sending the timing as 4 p.m. Then you can see it will ask me to provide the medical history and any current conditions for the doctor's review. So here I am sharing one test medical history. Then you can see it will respond to me like this, that your appointment with Dr. Smith is scheduled it for the date and the time that I have shared here, and one message that is you will receive a reminder 24 hours prior. So if you want to create this type of automated chatbot that will reply to your patients and book their appointment into your clinics without you doing any manual efforts, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. When you are stuck anywhere while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you, or even the Pabbly team members, will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can check out. And in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to write the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. If you want to know more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can check out. Now, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. It creates and manages static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this right over here is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate clinic appointments on WhatsApp in just 15 minutes. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active and active button. With the help of this button your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will not be worked and it will not reply to your user. And another one is the save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events, that is keyword / regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, contact's birthday, it is coming soon, and tag assigned. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so I am selecting it. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And the another one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As we are creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keyword, so the first keyword I am entering in this enter keyword box as book appointment. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding two more keywords, schedule appointment and doctor appointment. Here I added only three, you can add multiple. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them. For that I am taking one text button, drag this box here where I am going to write my response message in this enter message box. That is hello, thank you for reaching out to Impulse Healthcare Clinic. In this place you can add your clinic name. After that, now I want to add one quick button for my users by the name of book appointment. For that I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I am going to write the button as book appointment. After that I am connecting the starting point of my flow to this message by clicking on this circle, drag a line and connecting this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Let's assume my users wants to book an appointment into my clinic. Then they will click on this book appointment button. Then my bot will reply to them by providing them the list of doctors. For that I am taking this list button, drag this box here. Here you can see this list box is divided in three parts, that is header, body and footer. Where at first you have to write the header in this enter header box. Here I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank and directly entering the body. That is, please select a doctor for your appointment. After that, if you want to write footer, then you can write in this box. After that, I want to write the types of doctors. For that, I am clicking on this add section button. It will provide me one box inside it where I am going to provide the section title as doctor's name. After that, I want to add the types of doctors. For that, I am clicking on this add items button. It will again provide me one box inside it. Here I am going to add three doctors, so I am clicking on this add items button 3 times. Where in this enter title box I am going to write the name of the first doctor, that is Dr. Smith. After that, in this enter description box I am going to write the specialty of this doctor, that is cardiologist. And now I am adding 2 more on these boxes also. Here I added, that is Dr. Johnson and Dr. Lee, including their specialization. After that I am connecting this circle which are present in front of book appointment to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will select the doctor name, then my bot will reply to them. But before that, here I am going to set one custom field tag. For that I am clicking on this actions option and take button as set custom field. Drag this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as doctor name. After that, in this enter value box I am going to write this, that is Dr. Smith, because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this Dr. Smith. After that I am connecting this circle to this message where it is connected. Now I am going to explain you why we use this contact custom field and from where you can create this contact custom field. But before moving anywhere, at first you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. So make sure that whenever moving anywhere, save your flow at first. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening it a new tab. tab. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of use. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, emails, countries, tags, etc. In simple words, contact custom fields make data dynamic. When you scroll down, here you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the field name in this and also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of doctor name, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. Here I set it this contact custom field not. Now I am setting up two more for both of these. Here I set it, you can see the contact custom field I use is the same, that is doctor name. I only change the value because at the end this will help my bot to provide customized message to my users based on their provided data. After that, now whenever my user will select their doctor's name, then my bot will ask them to share their full name. For that I am taking one ask question button, drag this question box here where I am going to write the question as please share your full name to proceed with your appointment booking. After that, the contact custom field I select as full name, then the format I select as text, number of attempt I'll give as 1, number of attempt define as how many times your user will answer your question that you have write it in this box. As if your user will not provide the answer in the correct format, then you can increase the number of attempt, but make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempt, you have to write the validation message in this enter validation message box. Here I am giving the number of attempt as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that, I am connecting all these three circles to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will provide me their full name, then my bot will ask them to share their appointment date, time and the medical history. For that I am again taking ask question button, drag this question box here. The process of adding questions into your flow would be the same. Here I am adding 3 more questions. Here I added, that is please provide the date for schedule your appointment. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as appointment date. After that, the format I select as date, number of attempt I'll give as 0. After that, in the next I have asked my user to share their appointment time. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as appointment time. After that, the format I select as any. After that, the next question I ask to my user that please provide your medical history and any current conditions for the doctor's review. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as medical history. After that, the format I select as any. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message, this circle to this and this to this. Here it is connected. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now whenever my patients will provide me all their details, then at last my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text button. It will provide me one enter message box where I am going to write my last respond message. Here I write that is your appointment with dollar symbol, appointment date and appointment time. You can see I have used the dollar symbol in some places because with the help of this symbol my bot will reply to my patients dynamically. Whenever they select the doctor's name from this list, then automatically with the help of this contact custom field node, my bot will capture my user's response and reply to them by mentioning their selected doctor name in this place. Also when they provide me the appointment date and time, then with the help of this contact custom field node, my bot will capture their response and mention their provided date and time in this place. So now I think you will better understand the main use of contact custom field as it make data dynamic. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating automated WhatsApp chatbot that will book the patient appointment into your clinic. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. If you face any difficulties in the creation of this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. You can also share this flow with your friends. For sharing this flow, you have to click on this flows option and click on this 3 dots where you have to click on this share flow option. Here you can see it will provide you one share link that you have to copy from here and share this link with anyone. But make sure that when sharing the flow layout will be shared, but the contact custom fields, name, tags, catalogs and templates will not be shared. I also provide the link of this workflow in the description box. You can check out. This automated WhatsApp chatbot will respond to your patients within a seconds without you doing any manual efforts like this. Also done the process of booking appointment into your clinics. And the best part is this automated chatbot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.